You can make electricity directly from water by using nanopores. Nanopores around 5 to 2 nanometers in diameter will actually trap the water in a nano-confined cavity, in which case its properties change from bulk water, becomes more fragile, and will dissociate into hydroxide and hydronium ions that you can then use to flow in a circuit for power. This is a hygroelectric type technology like the humidity generators. This will work on almost any substance as long as you have the nanometer pores. Now what I've done is I put those pores onto a magnet and wrapped those magnets in a flat copper spiral coil so that when the water hits it, the AC signal gets converted along into the coil, then down into some secondary circuits for the meter to read. I've put a bunch of these videos on so you can see, and there's also a bunch of web links. You can look up quantum delocalization of water, or its other name is water self-ionization. Looking up this stuff, you can find details about it and how to make this combined with other properties in order to produce electrical power. Stanley approves of it so much he's trying to eat the machine. There we go. That's right, Stanley. It's a new thing.